So, it's that time again. Lucky number 7, floppy disk. As you know, I got like 4 floppy disks on 2 raids that I did a few days ago. And every 12 hours, I'm going to open one. And it's number 7. If I'm not mistaken, I should be able to open it. And I'm an idiot. Because the last one I got an infected box. And I could have put so much stuff in the acid bath. I had like a storage room for 100 of things. And me, stupid me, forgot that if you clean it up, then you need to put a new infected box to get the same amount of, storage space. I took everything out and organized it, and then I'm like, oh shit, I forgot that I need it. So maybe I'll be extremely lucky and get another infected box and not be stupid like the last one. Bum, ba, bum, bum. Wait, did I leave anything behind? No. Nope. Let's see. If I'm not mistaken, I should have gotten... Yes. Yes. There won't be next activation. Don't have any more floppy disk. I've wasted 4. Did I waste 4? Yeah. 2. Nope. God bunker. I think I've wasted 64 in the last 24 hours on 3 different bases. And yep. It's gonna be far, I just know it. It's gonna be in the limestone area. I just know it. Just to fuck with me. Oh Jesus Louise. I won't have enough fuel for it. It's never took me that far. It's always very close or either in the lime area. My first time in that area. Please let it be infected box. Please let it be infected box. I don't mind the waiting, really. I just really want space. Come on, and let's make sure. Yeah, I have this. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Let's hit you. Let's put you. Let's enter. The big one spawned on my ass today. I had a healer in my base, so I'm like, okay, let's use him. And I got the 5% chance of getting a weapon. So, I got it. Then I went to a red zone because chances are there's something in the red zone, almost always. So, I went to a red zone. Went to the first chest that was there, open it, saw I see 4, closed it because I was in shock. I was like, what? And the second I closed it, a big one spawned on me. So I reopened it, took it, and ran like hell. I think I have it. Okay, and the most important. That's cool, that's cool, that's cool. I can wear this. Can I take all? I don't remember if I have it. Jesus. Okay, new. Cool. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Let's go. So that's it. Floppy disk, lucky number 7. Don't have any more floppy disk. Maybe in my next trade I'll get some. If I'm so lucky, like my last ones. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.